Welcome to the email builder in EcoSend. I'm thrilled to show you around how you can use the EcoSend email builder to create beautiful, high impact emails in the calmest, most serene email writing experience that exists. I'll show you some of the basic concepts to help you get started and then show you how to create a really beautiful email in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, in the email builder, you'll see prominently the from name, the subject, and the preview text. We believe these are the most important aspects of your email to get right, and they're not even about the design of your email itself. Getting these right give you the highest chance of getting your emails opened, so that's why they're up at the top. But if we just skip below and start looking at the main area where you can start writing your email, I'll just show you with some pre-selected text how you can start writing. Without any effort at all, you can just use this much as you would any easy to use word processor. If you're familiar with modern tools like Notion, you've probably seen the idea of a block-based editor. This basically means that every single element in your email can be treated like a block that can be moved and rearranged and can even be changed. So we can take this, take it from being a paragraph and change it to be a heading in just a few really easy steps. Now, creating emails with text is a pretty good starting place because most emails are just that, text. You obviously want to add some other basic things like a footer, which has an unsubscribe link, and make sure recipients know why they've received the email. Well, to do that, just use the block insert menu again, and you can choose footer. And this will be familiar to anyone who's used EcoSend before, the footer like this. This is all well and good because you can create an email really, really quickly. Head up here to just save a draft, and you've got an email. You can hit send and send that right away. But we know standing out is important to everyone, and making your emails look unique and custom to your brand is crucial. So the EcoSend email builder is designed to help you take your designs to the next level, making sure they're both easy for readers to read, but also easy for you to create. I've got a few ideas for this campaign, and they really stem from our good friend Hugo, our company doc. So I'm going to bring up the design panel over here, the inspector, and what we're going to do is change some colors around. So one of the first things is, instead of a white background, I'm going to go for something a little bit different. I'm going to go dark blue, and then I can change the default color of my text to something light. I think I'll do something a little bit lighter, like a solid cream. And there we go. We've got something already starting to take shape that looks a little bit unique. Now, there's a few other things I want to add. I really want to make sure we add in our logo. So I've got that saved on my computer, and I'll just drag that in here. Now that's a little bit big, so if I just click the image, I can drag it down and make it a little bit more appropriately sized. It's really important that we set the alt tag for any images so that it's accessible for all readers. So I'll just call this Hugo's Adventures logo. That just describes what it is to anyone who can't load the image for whatever reason. Now, we probably want to center that just so it looks a bit more prominent. And what I might do as well is I just want to make sure we have a nice big button to take people to our link for Hugo's email. So I'll just do that, add a button, and check out the treats is what we'll do as the text. Make that bold. We really want to make sure that button fits in. So I'll just take the same color we had before, which was our cream color. And what we want to make sure is that text color matches the background, just so it really feels like it's part of the design. There we go. There we have it. The designer in me wants to make those borders a little bit more rounded, so I'll just go and do that now. And there we go, we've got a beautiful email already. I just want to make sure this text is also the right color, make sure that's really easy to read. we've got something really nice and shaping up. There's just one more thing missing, and that is a beautiful photo of Hugo. Let's drag that in there. There we go. There he is. And we'll just say that is Hugo sitting in the field. We've now got an email that is pretty much ready to send. As you can see, in just a few moments, we've gone from having a blank canvas to a beautiful custom designed email. I really hope you like the email builder in EcoSend, and we can't wait to see what you send with us. So I hope you enjoy using it, and good luck with your next campaign.